If you have been struggling with odd meter, then you've clicked on the right video because this is how you play drums in 7. If you like that, then remember to like and subscribe to get more of this kind of content every Tuesday. I've taught well over 1,000 drum lessons to people just like you, and I can show you too. I'm Gabriel, and you are watching the YouTube channel of DrumTipTuesday.com. Alright, so playing drums in 7, a massive topic, so we can't get to everything. What we will do is focus in on one thing, one rhythm, essentially. 1 1/8 note, 2 16th notes. This. Just that. We're going to make an exercise in 7, all right? So we're going to play that until we get to 6 and 7, and then we're just going to play 2 more 1/8 notes on 6 and 7. I'm not going to write it down. It's easy enough. Just check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you play it together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. As a snare drum exercise, this is one of those things that helps us kind of pull out of the head for the rudiments, especially flam rudiments that seem like they stick. You get stuck in there like, oh, inverted flam taps is the biggest one, pataflaw-flaws, so inverted flam taps. They kind of stick in there, so when you take them one hand at a time, you get that. Pataflaw-flaws, same kind of thing. Right? Anyways, let's take that, put it in 7 to the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember to focus on getting the accent where it belongs. Don't just play at one height. Make sure you pull the accents out. Right? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now then, not very interesting. Kind of hard on the hands a little bit, warm it up, try it slow, then get back up to this tempo. Or if you can already do it, let's go on. Now, interesting concept, odds and evens. You can take an accent, play it every other 1/8 note if you're in 7/8, right? And it'll fall on the first bar, 1, 3, 5, and 7, and the second bar, 2, 4, and 6. All right, check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Right? Now, let's take our exercise, 1 1/8 note, 2 16th notes, and exercise that concept. At first, I'm going to do it slow. 2 bars on this hand, 2 bars on this hand. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 1. Right? Let's play our exercise. Take the thing we just did. One hand at a time. Remember this? Put it now with the thing we just did. So we'll have 1 bar, 1 bar, 2 bars, 1 bar, 1 bar, 2 bars, right? Like a paradiddle. Kind of neat how that keeps coming back, right? I'll do it real slow one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Off the left. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Now with the metronome. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Okay, now we're going to take that pattern, which is even more than a pattern, it's a whole concept, that one bar on, one bar off, and put it on the drums. Let's take this pattern right here. Boom. Just hear me out. It's a real simple beat. Looks kind of complex, but it is not. You already know it. I guarantee. If that thing were in 4/4 time, it would sound just like, let's see here. Just gonna mouth this out, all right? Boom, dat, boom, boom, dat, boom, bat, boom, boom, dat, all right? If it didn't have the accents every other bar or every other beat, making bar 1 different than bar 2, then it would just sound like it would just be in 7. Boom, dat, boom, boom, bat, boom, bat, boom, boom, dat. The thing that makes it cool is that exercise we just worked on that goes over the bar, 2 bars. First of all, the accents on the odds. Second of all, the accents on the evens. And it makes, well, I think it's time to go back in the drums and show you. What I'm going to do now is just play in 7, all right? Basically, this beat that you see here, real easy, but I'm going to play like maybe some push-pull hi-hats on the 16ths, and then I'm going to play it up on the ride. Let the bell be the accents, the unaccented notes just play on the normal area, normal playing area, standard playing area of the ride cymbal. You'll see what I'm talking about. Listen for the concept throughout. But before we go on, a question. Who is your favorite odd meter wizard on drums? No wrong answer. Comment below. If you like the content that I share here on YouTube, then click the link in the description to subscribe to drumtiptuesday.com, where you will find more content, including in-depth coursework, master classes, drum list tracks, and more that I only share on drumtiptuesday.com. And if you like this video, then YouTube seems to believe that you'll like one of these videos too.